Welcome back to my channel. Want to make a viral video featuring the internet's favorite creature, the chaotic orange cat? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching, funny, and shareable orange cat video using only free tools. Yes, we are going to generate viral orange cat video completely free. Have you noticed something wild happening on your feed lately? Orange cats, yes, the chaotic, expressive, and somehow always dramatic orange cats, are everywhere. Whether they're knocking things off tables, giving you side-eye, or just existing with peak main character energy, these fiery furballs are dominating TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These videos are racking up millions of views, and for a good reason. Orange cats are naturally meme-worthy, super expressive, and instantly relatable. So today, I'm going to show you how to make your own viral orange cat video using just AI tools. So, let's get started. Step 1. Write a perfect prompt for image generation. I am using ChatGPT website for prompt generation. Just go to chatgpt.com and give a command to ChatGPT to write a perfect AI art prompt to generate an image of a cute orange cat doctor with big eyes checking a small chick, and within no time you got your prompt. Now move to the second step. Step 2. Open canva.com, go to Google and write canva.com. Open it and create a new custom design of 1920 1:8 dimension. Go to Apps tab and search for Magic Media for creating amazing images free. Now just copy the prompt from ChatGPT website which you have generated recently and paste in Canva Magic Media edit box. Select style or dimension if you want. I am not selecting any style. Now just click on the image generation button. As you can see, Magic Media is going to generate perfect images for your video within no time. Just drag all the images to the canvas one by one, add more pages. Set the images as background on the full page. After adjusting the images, just download them as PNG image by clicking on the share button and then download. Now move to step 3. Step 3. Convert image to video. After getting perfect images from the Canva website, now we convert these images to video. I am using klingeye.com for video generation. Just open this website. First sign in using your Google account. Click on Continue button. Just go to Image to Video tab. Upload your images from the Download folder in the Start and End frame box. Paste the same prompt which you have generated from the ChatGPT website. This step is optional, but I am pasting here. Leave all the other setting as it is, as we are generating our images using free version. So just click on the Generate button. After some time, you will get your amazing video. You can check it by clicking on the play button and then just download it by clicking on the download sign below the video. Now, in the same way you proceed further. Generate different and unique prompt from ChatGPT website. I am generating here 2 to 3 prompt for my video. Then converting this prompt to image using Canva website. I am generating 12 images and then download them all by using the same process as described. In last, I convert these images to video by following same process for other images. Now move to last step, which is too simple. Step 4. Arranging clips to full video after downloading all the video clips from canvaai.com. Just compile them to make a full video. For this purpose, we can use CapCut software, but today I am totally using Canva for editing purpose. Create a new video design in Canva. Just upload all your downloaded images and videos in the upload section of your design in Canva. Now move the small video clip to the canvas according to your story or as you like. Drag all the video clips and set them on full page. Add more pages, set one video clip per page. For making my video more attractive, I am applying page animation by clicking on the animate button on top of the page. I am adding stomp transition and apply it on the pages of my video by clicking on the Apply to All Pages button. I am also adding some text on every page according to the story. Step 5. Add music. Add music to your video according to your choice. I am downloading music from Audio Library of YouTube and upload this audio in the audio section of Canva. Drag this audio below my video, matching with the video length from start to end. You can also add any other sound if you like, as I have done. Better option is use trending sounds. Now your video is ready. Just download it as MP4 format by clicking the share button and then download. Now share it and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.